Hi, welcome to AI Mode. My name is Mason, and today we are going to explore a chat GPT plugin called Show Me Diagrams. So if you're new to plugins, you need to enable them by going to your profile, and then under your name, you should see a button called Settings. Then under Settings, there are beta features. And beta features, that is browse with Bing and plugins. So all you have to do is enable them, enable plugins, and then go back to your dashboard and you should be able to use plugins. Now, you click on GPT-4, then there is a drop down, you choose plugins, then under there's also a drop down, you scroll down, and then you navigate to plugin store. Now, under this page, on this page, you can search for the plugin you want. So we're going to look for Show Me Diagrams. This plugin is useful for creating diagrams of any kind from within ChatGPT, and you can be able to edit them later. So once the plugin is installed, you need to go back to the dashboard and create a new chart. Then choose plugins, and then make sure that the plugin of your choice is selected. So Show Me Diagrams is selected. Now, first thing, when you're working with a new plugin, you want to know how it works. So we're going to ask what is, because I've selected more than one plugin, I have to specify the plugin I'm referring to. It's Show Me Diagrams. So what is Show Me Diagrams plugin, and how do I use it? Then it's gonna take a second, but it will return the general use case of the plugin. So here we are told the Show Me Diagrams plugin is a tool designed to generate visual diagrams based on user prompts. It can be used to explain concepts, describe processes, and visualize data in a more visual manner. So as you can see, this plugin supports a wide range of diagram types and languages, including but not limited to sequence diagrams, class diagrams, state diagrams, entity relationship diagrams. You can also generate other types of diagrams like pie charts, and so this plugin can come in quite handy. All right, so we're going to ask this to generate a simple structure. So I'm going to say, give me a blog structure. As simple as that, just to begin with, to see what this plugin gives us. So, and you note that I didn't specify that you need to use this plugin. So long as I've enabled it, ChatGPT knows which plugin to use. And now it's using Show Me Diagrams. It's taking a moment, then it returns a link. It returns the image, but also a link where you can expand the image and also be able to edit it. So here is a very good diagram, representation of a blog. You have a home page, blog page, comments and shares. They should have indicated categories, right? So under every image that you get from with this plugin, you also get the explanation of the flow, and then you can view this diagram in a new tab, I'm not sure if you'll be able to view because I don't think I'm recording this tab. All right, so, but you can also edit. So if you click here, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to edit the content and also the structure if you may. All right, so now how can you use this plugin for more realistic situations? So suppose I want to, let's say, I want to get I want to get something more that I can use for my business. So I'm going to say my business is a web design agency. Help me visualize the customer onboarding process. So let's say I'm clueless, I don't know what I'm doing. I can come to this plugin and ask simple questions, and it will be able to create for me these diagrams, which I can then visualize and make sense of it. So it's still taking a moment to create the diagram. Okay, so I think it's done. Well, this is quite actually extensive. So there's customer signs up, then creates an account is created, then they submit website requirements. Maybe I give them a call, we talk about the design needs and preferences. Once I give them the mockup, they agree, then I can go ahead with website development process. Once I'm done, then I send the website for review, and then I receive changes. I make the changes, and then final approval, and then the website is launched. And maybe also offer some post-launch supports as they may need. All right, so that is just one use case. You can also use it to create a SWOT analysis of your main competitor, to understand what makes them what makes them successful and what are their weaknesses. All right, so that's how you can use this plugin. This is my very first video, so I applaud you to come and interact with me as we explore the world of AI.